Welcome to Emily's fun camping trip with her boyfriend. Follow her adventures and learn simple English through everyday talks. At home, planning the trip with boyfriend.
Hey, Alex. I'm so excited about our camping trip this weekend.
Me too, Emily. Where should we go? Maybe the big forest park?
That sounds great. It's not too far from the city.
Yes, about 2 hours by car. What do we need to bring?
First, a tent for sleeping under the stars.
Good idea. And sleeping bags to stay warm at night.
Don't forget food, like sandwiches and fruits for snacks.
Right, and water bottles. Hydration is important, you know?
What's hydration? Does it mean drinking enough water?
Exactly. It keeps our bodies healthy during activities.
Okay, got it. Also, a flashlight for when it's dark.
Yes, and matches to start a campfire safely.
I can't wait to roast marshmallows over the fire.
That will be fun. What about clothes? Extra socks?
Sure, in case it rains and our feet get wet.
Smart thinking. Let's make a list to not forget anything.
Great, I'll write it down. Insect repellent, too.
Oh, yeah, to keep bugs away from biting us.
Bugs? Like mosquitoes? I hate those itchy bites.
Me too. Repellent will help. This trip will be awesome.
Absolutely. We'll hike and see beautiful nature.
And relax away from the noisy city life.
I agree. Planning this makes me happy already.
Same here. Let's pack tomorrow morning early.
Perfect. I love you for suggesting this adventure.
At the store, buying supplies with clerk.
Hello, I'm looking for camping supplies today.
Hi there. Welcome. What do you need for your trip?
A sturdy tent for 2 people, please.
We have this blue one. It's waterproof and easy to set up.
Waterproof. Does that mean it keeps rain out?
Yes, exactly. No getting wet inside during storms.
Great, I'll take it. Also, 2 sleeping bags.
These are warm and lightweight, perfect for cool nights.
Lightweight is good. We don't want heavy bags.
Right. How about a portable stove for cooking?
Oh, that sounds useful. What's portable mean?
It means easy to carry around, not too big.
Okay, yes, please. And some canned food.
We have beans and soup, nutritious and simple.
Nutritious, like healthy with vitamins?
Yep, keeps you strong for hiking and fun.
Awesome. Don't forget a first aid kit.
Essential for cuts or bug bites. Bandages inside.
Essential means very important, right?
Correct. Safety first on any adventure.
Thanks. This store has everything we need.
Glad to help. Enjoy your camping trip.
We will. I'm getting more excited now.
Safe travels. Come back for more gear anytime.
Sure thing. Bye for now.
On the road, driving to the campsite with boyfriend.
This drive is beautiful with all these trees around.
Yeah, the scenery is amazing. Fresh air, too.
Scenery means the views, like landscapes?
Exactly. Look at those mountains in the distance.
Wow, they're so tall and green. Exciting.
Are you comfortable? We have about an hour left.
Yes, but I'm a bit hungry. Past the snacks?
Here, some apples and nuts. Healthy choices.
Thanks. Nuts give energy for the trip.
True. What's your favorite part of camping?
Sitting by the fire, telling stories at night.
Mine too. And waking up to birds singing?
Birds singing? That sounds peaceful and nice.
It is nature's alarm clock, no beeps.
Huh, better than my phone alarm for sure.
Absolutely. Oh, look, a deer on the side.
Where? Oh, cute. It's watching us.
Shh, don't scare it. Wildlife is fun to see.
Wildlife means animals in the wild?
Yes, we might spot more at the campsite.
I hope so. This road trip is fun already.
Me too. Can't wait to arrive and unpack.
Same. Let's sing a song to pass time.
Good idea. What song do you like?
Something happy about adventures and friends.
Arriving at the campsite. Checking in with Ranger.
Hello, we're here to camp for the weekend.
Welcome to Greenwoods Campsite. Your names?
Emily and Alex. We booked site number 5.
Got it. Here's your map and rules.
Rules? Like no littering or loud noises?
Yes, keep the area clean and respect wildlife.
Understood. What's the best trail for beginners?
The lake path. Easy walk with nice views.
Sounds perfect. How long is it?
About 2 miles round trip. Not too tiring.
Miles? That's distance, right? Like kilometers?
Yep, 1 mile is about 1.6 kilometers.
Thanks. Any animals we should watch for?
Deer and birds mostly. Bears are rare.
Bears? That sounds a bit scary.
Don't worry, store food properly to avoid them.
Properly means in the right way?
Correct. Hang it high or use bear boxes.
Got it. This place looks beautiful already.
It is. Enjoy the fresh air and stars.
We will. Haha, I'm ready to explore.
Have fun. Call if you need help.
Thanks so much. See you around.
Safe camping.
Setting up the tent. Working together with boyfriend.
Okay, let's start with the tent poles.
Pass me the long one. It goes first.
Here? How do we connect them?
Slide them into the sleeves on the fabric.
Sleeves? Like pockets on the tent?
Yes, exactly. It holds the shape.
Got it. Now stake the corners down.
Stakes are the metal pins, right?
Yep. Hammer them into the ground firmly.
Firmly means strong and secure.
Correct. So it doesn't fly away in wind.
Ha, that would be a disaster.
Totally. Now attach the rain fly on top.
Rainfly? The extra cover for rain?
Yes. Keeps us dry if it pours.
Smart. This is coming together nicely.
It is. Teamwork makes it easier.
Absolutely. High five for good job.
High five. Now inflate the air mattresses.
Inflate means fill with air?
Yep, using the pump here.
Okay, I'll do that. Comfy sleep ahead.
Can't wait. This campsite is perfect.
Agreed. Let's finish up quickly.
Yes, before the sun sets.
Hiking on the trail. Exploring nature with boyfriend.
This trail is so pretty with all the flowers.
Yeah, look at those red ones over there.
Beautiful. What's that bird sound I hear?
Probably a woodpecker topping on trees.
Woodpecker? The bird that pecks wood?
Yes, for food or nests. Cool, huh?
Very. The air smells fresh and piney.
Piney from the pine trees around us.
I love it. Careful on these rocks.
Thanks. Hold my hand if slippery.
Okay. Oh, a butterfly. So colorful.
Shh, let's watch it flutter by.
Flutter means fly lightly.
Exactly. Nature is full of wonders.
Wonders like amazing things?
Yep, like the stream we can cross.
Fun. Splash, the water is cold.
Haha, refreshing on a warm day.
Totally. How much farther to the lake?
Just half a mile, almost there.
Great. My legs are getting tired but happy.
Mine too. Breaks make it better.
Yes, this hike is unforgettable.
With you, every adventure is.
Aw, sweet. Let's keep going.
Around the campfire, sharing stories with boyfriend.
The fire is so warm and glowing.
Perfect for stories. Tell me one.
Okay, once I saw a shooting star.
Shooting star? A meteor in the sky?
Yes, it was magical and bright.
Wish on it? For good luck?
I did. Wished for fun trips like this.
Ha! Your wish came true then.
Totally. Now roast your marshmallow carefully.
Like this? Not too close to flames.
Yes, golden brown is best.
Smells sweet and toasty.
Toasty means warm and yummy?
Yep. Share a bite with me?
Sure. Crunchy outside, soft inside.
Delicious. Look up at the stars.
So many, like diamonds in the sky.
Constellations, too. See the Big Dipper?
Big Dipper, the star pattern like a spoon?
Exactly. Points to the North Star.
Cool. This night is peaceful.
With you, it's perfect. No worries.
I agree. Hick, hick, but bugs are buzzing.
Shh, ignore them. More stories?
Yes, about childhood adventures.
Tell me. I love hearing them.
Thanks for joining Emily's camping adventure. Keep practicing English with more fun stories.